Lovely brick ranch with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Spacious home with 1,550 square feet of living. Formal living, formal dining, den with fireplace and open kitchen with counter island bar. Laundry is in the garage with access to backyard and side gate from door. Den has separate door leading to immense backyard with wood privacy fence and shed. Spacious bedroom with older fixtures in each bathroom, but all in good working condition. Pet friendly up to 30 pounds dogs only, no cats. Great community convenient to all of Virginia Beach. Enjoy this traditional ranch. Renters insurance, credit/background check. Easy online application, www.townerentals.com.